are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, heated steering wheel, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.